And we are back with another Pixelmon episode of normal Pixelmon, or Pixelmon normal. To be honest, that I didn't have very much hope for this series, but it eventually worked. And the last two episodes were okay. I mean, the commentary wasn't fantastic or anything, and there's no Nurse Joy here. Strange, very, very strange. But it's fine. I just remember my inventory is essentially full. What do I want? I can take the Awakening. I can take some of this, actually. How likely is it am I going to get frozen? Yeah, that'll be fine. I'll come back later. Alright. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I really filled myself up here. I'm going to go take that glowstone I also just remembered. Alright, we should actually head back. Definitely head back. We are going to 100% head back. Because I need to. We need to. As a team. I want that. This is now where I should have had the moon ball, huh? It's fine. It gave me an extra inventory slot, that's all. I mean, that's exactly what I needed to do. Okay, I was gonna just keep throwing Pokeballs at stuff, but I actually do need to start moving. I captured it. Good job. Thanks, me. Got level 24. Get in the ball. Alright, we're just gonna head back. It's gonna take me a while to probably head back. Store a bunch of stuff. I captured a trap inch. Oh, whoa, yeah, know that thing. I'm gonna catch that. Hey, you. Ball. Oh. It's level 54. That's fine. Quick ball. Quick ball, quick ball, quick ball, quick. Perfect. Perfect. That's fine. Everything's fine. I'm gonna catch it immediately. There's no problems. See? I told you. Quick ball's overpowered. If you ever need anything, just remember quick balls. My Pixelmon tips. Guys, Pixelmon tips. Or RainingTempest to tip. Quick, your host quick tips. Quick, Pixelmon tips by your host. Something like that. There's going to be your tips, quick balls. Just have quick balls on you. Just throw a quick ball as soon as you start the fight. It's like it's a ridiculous catch rate. Because it's times 5 on the first turn of battle. Times 5. That's like a 75% catch rate, I believe, on a bunch of Pokemon. Or an 85 or something. I need food. Alright, perfect. Yeah, I was trying to do the math in my head, then my brain was like, don't. You know, we both know you can't brain this out. I'm like, brain, you're right. I cannot do that. And here we are now. Yep. But I think the Pixelmon adventure's going good so far. I mean, yeah, completing the Pokédex. Woo, gonna do that sometime. Need to get to the Nether. I was gonna do that, I think, like 2 episodes ago, but then I was like, oh, I want to explore, find another diamond, because I want an enchantment table before I go, because I don't want to just sit there and mine for 10 straight minutes, enough obsidian. I want to get good old enchant. I want to use magic, because magic's cool. Like, we could, oh, that's actually loaded. I could go in there. I think that'd be more of a mistake, though. But, no, it's fine. I don't need to. I don't have the goggles to do so. I mean, I do have them, just not on me. But that'll be more of end-game stuff where I'll go in there, do something or another. Alright. Yep. What else do I have planned? I mean, the end, oh my goodness, I don't know why, but I thought the Pokemon gym there, I thought that was just a giant Lugia or something like that, just flying at me. I don't... Am I tired? I might be tired. I might be tired, but it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna. I mean, I guess I could fight. No, I want PC. PC first, which I have. I have everything I need to make a PC now. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're making PC. I'm getting a prototype team together, and we're gonna go for it. The gym, and we're gonna hope. That is my plan. For either this episode or next, no, probably for next episode. Because I need one more diamond. One more. That's all. So I might dump my inventory, make the PC, get a prototype team, and go for it. That, or I might just go down that mine that I came out of and look for a diamond there. One of the two. There's something I'm gonna do. It's gonna be cool. That's all I know. It's gonna be awesome and cool. And I should put my bed under here so I can just jump on it instead of taking half a heart. Alright, time to put away the food. I'm probably gonna sell these potions. The smoke ball can be up there. I need to take off all this stuff. Alright, perfect. Do I have an earth? I have an earth plate, and I had both those plates. I didn't even, oh, I do want that smooth stone there. Perfect. Alright. TNT. I can sell that. I can sell that. I could actually use that later. Glowstone, potions. We're gonna just put that over there. Glass. That. Here we go. More stuff that I will never use until like the final battle, because I just hoard everything until I have to fight the final boss, and then I just use everything I can to destroy said final boss. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I need a hammer. That's the thing I'm missing. I'd love to make them out of gems or something like that, but I just don't have the material. So we'll make one out of iron for now. I don't think I can make one out of emerald, but it's fine. Alright. Here we go. I cannot wait for an automatic one, so I can actually do stuff, which is probably why I should have killed the toxic croak. It's fine. I can put those books up at least. Books. I have coal. Alright. Here we go. Make this. Get one of these. Make some of those. I can now put this stuff away. I just need all that glass. There we go. Alright. Time to become a blacksmith in Pokemon, Minecraft, Pixelmon. Yeah. Which, by the way, is just hitting this until it flattens out. And then you just, there you go, you take it. And now, oh, right, fossils. I need to get fossils for the Pokédex, huh? I'll do that later. It's fine. It's fine. You know, this might take the entire episode. This might take the entire... Another reason why I want enchantments, so I get efficiency on this, so it doesn't take as long. There are some... I should have gotten a slime ball. Should have taken out that toxic croak. Then again, I don't know if toxic croaks even drop slime balls. But it's fine. Yeah, but I'm excited. I can actually craft my parties and the things I caught, and I can get this trap inch out of here. Not saying that I don't like it's just level 5 trap inch is not the best. I can also make more torches that I'm gonna put around so it's just not dark. Perfect. Yeah, but those quick balls definitely great investment. Best investment if I had to be so bold. Actually, while I'm doing this, I can also just oh, that's rocks. Do I have rocks that I need to throw? No, I do not. Okay. I can actually put that glowstone away too. I can put this away since I need the last one on there. Glowstone, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Great. Awesome. Give me it. So I can make the PC, and I'll probably just put the PC down right in the base here. Oh, right, there we go. I'll put it over here so I can also put a healer down as well. Look at these Pokemon. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's see these stats here. Level 20. Speed down, special defense up. That's good, that's good. Congratulations, level 20. You are the winner. You are, in fact, though. Yeah, no, you definitely. Do I want to just chuck this guy, or do I want to just keep him just in case? What's his? He has Defiant Boost. Okay, perfect. Text them. Alright, cool. Yeah, so I want that one, and then I'll just goodbye. Just in case, I'll keep that. Death Poniard. What did? I know I could have checked this earlier. Yeah, we'll just check it. What are you? That's fine. Special. All right, this one will be my special attacker for my entire team of Flygons, which will go down there at the bottom. Actually, we'll put them at box 100 down here. Sandile. What do you mean Sandile form? Is that some? Yeah, special defense, I guess. I don't know if that's fantastic. It's okay. What about you? You are I'm curious about. Aren't you a special attacker? No, it does have infest. Yes, I don't think this is a good. We're gonna keep. What about you? Okay, it's fine, I guess. Pidgey, I want Pidgey. All right, so we're gonna just chuck the entire team, or everything in here, except for Marsh Stomp, which just stays on the team. Period. You're a special attacker, aren't you? Oh, please be good. Okay. Has guts too. That's actually pretty good. That's actually. But its attack is down. It's a physical attacker and its attack is down. That's. Oh, don't mind me. Yeah, no, I should probably get on with the episode. I'm just. Alright. Don't mind me looking at the. You know what? I'm just going to take what looks cool. I like Larvatar, so I'm taking him. Even though he might. It's, Poniard. Woo! Yeah! What? Okay, what? Hold on. Okay, I got Water Ground, Earth Ground, or Rock Ground, Dark Steel. I have a lot of. We're going to take Pidgey so I can fly. You're literally just attack defense. Fine. Sounds good. Aren't you a special attacker as well? It's fine. We're just going to make you into a physical attacker. It's fine. There's probably a moveset for that, right? Sure. No. Yes. Maybe? I don't know. Alright, this is going to be my team for now. These 4 Pokemon are going to be on my team for now. I need to heal them. Alright. We're going to go get another diamond. Oh. Hello there, Geodude. Water gun. Tackle. Good. Alright. Water gun. Okay. Actually, I could probably switch fight. You know, like the switch train. That's what it's called. I could probably switch train. Do I want to though? It's fine. All right, we're just gonna go down that mine and we're gonna look for diamonds one way or another. Again, my inventory's too full. All right, we're going to the village healing. I'm putting away all my potions and stuff because I don't know. I'll keep like super potions, I guess, for just in case I find a boss. Yeah, we're just gonna. I'll sell those potions. No, I'll keep the max potions and super. There we go. And I'll sell these 2 items, and just in case, there we go. Perfect. All right, things are working out. Everything's. I'm being smart, I think. Probably not. I'm running out of space. I'll need more chests sooner than later, which means I'll need more wood. All right. We're gonna organize chests as well. How am I gonna organize these chests? All right, we'll just put signs on them, I guess. That's ooh, definitely not my best chest arrangement. I might take out those pillars just so I can see the chest better, and I'm able to organize them better. Yeah. Okay. I'll. You know what? Yeah. Let's do that right now. This episode. I have a couple minutes. I have a couple seconds to do it. I'm gonna organize the chest because that just it's gonna help in the long run. Okay, connect that. There we go. Okay. Oh, there goes one of the torches that I set. It's fine. Put that there. All right. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Oh no, I made a mistake. I didn't mean to go that far. It's fine. Yeah, it works. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. I'm gonna just do that to this side